What's up YouTube? This is Max. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a basic Android app. A basic app that you can make like a browsing app, let's say, where you can put the Google as your home screen. If you have any website, you can put that as your home screen and invite a lot of traffic. You can earn through AdSense, you can use an ad mock in your app, and you can make a lot of money. Trust me, all you gotta do is follow me, okay? So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open the Chrome. I didn't have to teach you that, I know that, but still, this is a beginner course, so let's just follow it. The next thing you want to do is log into Thunkable. Just type Thunkable. Thunkable, the first website, drag and drop mobile app. It's like pretty cool website to make an Android app or an iOS too. No more coding, my man, no more coding. Okay, so I already have an account, so I'm gonna hit a login. If you don't have it, just click on sign up. Here I go into login, and it's gonna pop on the option like, are you gonna make an app for a cross-platform? That's gonna be for an iOS plus Android, or just for the Android. Here I'm just gonna make for the Android, so I'm gonna hit the bottom one. Click over here. Just make sure you sign in. This is the first screen you're gonna see. This is the home screen of the Thunkable, okay? Here we're gonna make an app. It's gonna give you an awesome, cool platform and everything. Okay, let's get started. You see over here, it says create new app. Click over there, put your app name. Let's say we're making a browser, so here I'm gonna put Max Browser. Okay, Max Browser. Okay, oh my goodness, that's not the name. Y'all probably thinking like I'm going crazy. I'm not. Okay, here I'm gonna type it again, Max Browser. Okay, there you go. As soon as you type it inside, it's gonna open a platform like this. Now this is the main portfolio where you're gonna be putting all your work. You're gonna like make anything. You're gonna make it over here. Okay. So first thing you want to do is you want to think of like what are you gonna make here. Like a Google Chrome, like any browser, UC browser, Chrome, anything. We're just gonna make a basic things, okay? So here, this is gonna be my home screen. So on the top of this, I'm gonna remove this blue part right here. So you see a title visual over here. I'm gonna click this. You see what's the difference? It's gone. If I click this, it's gone. This is what I'm gonna do now. Soon as you press your icon on the home screen, what do you want to open? You want to open a Google, let's say, straight, right? So what I'm going to do is on the left hand side, you see a web viewer. Okay, you're going to drag and drop it on the screen like this. It's going to show you something like this. On the right hand side, it's going to ask home URL. What you want to do is you want to type www.google.com. This is the home page we are trying to go when we log into app. I mean, when we open the app. Here, what you don't want to miss is you always want to put HTTPS, because this is what secures the site, and only the app gonna recognize the site if it's HTTPS on the front of the site. Okay, here you go. So basically what we just made is this is a Google page. I'm gonna show you how to check it and everything like that, but this is the Google app. Now you see on the bottom over here, the main problem on this is if you press this back button, let's say you type a Facebook, okay? You've been browsing through a lot of things, you went to some different sites, and you're trying to go a page back, it's gonna exit a whole app instead of going back if you press the back button. So what we're trying to do over here is we're trying to create our own buttons. The back button, the home button, the forward button, you know, those three things. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to layout. I'm gonna take the horizontal arrangement and put it over here on the bottom. Okay, after this, you're gonna have to adjust the size of this. So let me go to person. You're gonna know this thing automatic after user. Okay, I'm gonna put not 25. What I'm doing, probably 15. 15 is bigger too. Okay, let's make it like 7. Okay, this looks cool. All right, and in the width, let's just do full parent and okay. So in this box, we're gonna put a back button, a forward button, and a home button. Okay. Alright, so next thing we're gonna do over here is go to a user interface again. You see a button over here? We need 3 buttons, right? So let's drag and drop one button. This is a button 1, this is a button 2, and this is a button 3. Okay, this is pretty easy to allow. So what you want to do is you want to rename a button name. So let's make this a back button. So you see a button 3, it's a rename right here, pressing that. The old name is button 3, the new name we're gonna put is back button. Press OK. The middle one, let's make it home button. Okay, home button. Press OK. And the last one, let's make it forward button. This is pretty cool. Okay, now after doing all this, what you want to do is, you see this button 3 has a lot of space, button 2 has a lot of space, but button 3 it's kind of moving out of the screen. So let's quickly adjust the space. Okay, so for the button 3, it's the back button. So if you go on the bottom, you're gonna see a width over here. Go to a percent. Let's try 15. What it's gonna do, the smaller one. Okay, I think 15 is too small. Make it 25. It's cool. 25 is cool. Yep, 25 is cool. Button 2, you can make the same thing. Width, we can put 25. There you go. And a button 3, button 1, let's make the width 25. Here we have 3 buttons right here. Now here we only put the name of the button, we only classify like what's gonna open on our home screen, but we don't know what this button do. Like we haven't programmed for this button. So I'm gonna show you real quick how to program a button right here. For instance, let's do for button 2. Okay, click on button 2. After that, what you want to do is go to the blocks right here. This is where you program the main things. Okay, blocks, go to a home button. Let's program for the home button first. Let's go to the home button. Okay, home button. When home button click, do what? When home button click, do what? Now this is a function right here. Now when home button is clicked, what we want to do is you want to go to a main home screen, like on the home screen. So find the home over here, call and go to home page. When home button is clicked, call wave view 1. That's our home page dot go home. Okay, that's the function name. After that, what you want to do is, okay, let's say this is done for the home button. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna duplicate it. I'm gonna put it on the bottom instead of the home button. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna program for a back button, and instead of the home button, let me delete this block. What you wanna do is call wave 1 go back. You wanna put it right here. Okay, the same thing. The same thing. So we did for the back, we did for home. Let's do for the forward button. When forward button click, go to the wave viewer, call what? Go forward, right? Look, call go forward. Pretty easy, real easy thing. No big hassles right here. After I'm done with this, let's go to screen 1 and then design. These are the three screens. These are the three buttons I just made. Now, when you're gonna let's say like you're gonna upload this app in the Play Store, like the people, you don't want to see people button 3, button 2, button 1, and make all of your visitors or consumers like confusing. So what you want to do is you want to replace this with some other text or some pictures. Okay, so here I have already some few pictures I have made in my computer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna import those pictures. What you want to do is click on the home button. You see on the properties, the text, remove this text right here, go back. Okay, that's it. Hit enter, and on the same portion you're gonna see an image over here. It says none, right? So I'm gonna hit that none right here. I'm gonna say upload file. So what are we working on? Home button, choose file. This is, I have a small home.png file, very basic thing. Okay, home.png. I'm just gonna take this, open it. Okay, see, this is a home button. This is just a regular image file, just a regular image file. Okay, just a picture, that's it. After this is a back button. Let me work for the back button. I'm gonna remove this right here, go to the image, upload file, choose file. I'm gonna bring a back button from here and open, and okay, can see this is a back button. I'm gonna press this, upload file, select file, and a forward button. Okay, I'm gonna go to an image right here, use the forward button, small forward. Okay, and you can see it says button 1 over here, the written. Let's remove that too. Here I go. So basically this is my phone. Okay, this is where my page is gonna display. Like let's say I just put the Google. Let's see over here. I'm gonna show you real quick about it too. So what I just made, the block designer, the wave view. So over here it says my home page is gonna be www.google.com. So as soon as I open my app, it should go to www.google.com. So this is your basic browsing app, okay, and a basic browsing site. All right. So, and why I made this was, I'm gonna explain to you real quick right here. If I press this button right here, the default Android button, the default Android layout, it's gonna exit the whole application instead of going one page back. Okay, like it's gonna act like a home button. This gonna act like same like a home button. So let's say like you're like way inside, you're searching for some college, you're way inside, like with a lot of links, and you want to go one step back and you press this, it's going to exit the whole application. Now for that replacement, we just made this one right here. Now if you press this acts same like this, but instead of exit the application, it's going to go one step back. Okay, and this is the home button. This is not going to exit the application. Okay, let's say your home screen is google.com. You're going to go to the google.com and then you type a Facebook, and there you went to the Facebook. As soon as you press this, it's going to go back to a google.com again. So wherever you are, whatever link you are, you're going to press this, it's going to go back to google.com. This is the forward button. You already know what it's going to do. You want to go one step forward. If you press this, is going to take you to one page forward. Okay, so here I'm gonna show you real quick how you're gonna test your app if it's working or not. All right, you see on the top right here it say a test option. All you're gonna do is press this right here, press a Thunkable live. What do you want to make sure is your Wi-Fi while you are making this thing in the computer should be the same Wi-Fi in your phone too to test this app. Okay, so once you connect to the Wi-Fi, go to a Thunkable live right here, and then it's gonna show you a code like this. After this, as soon as you show this, you want to download an app named Thunkable Live from an Android Play Store. It's called Android Thunkable Live. If you are checking for Android, just download a live classic for the Android. And then as soon as you download the app, I'm gonna show you like how it looks like and what it's gonna do. So this is the app right here. You see Thunkable? This is the app right here, okay? This is how you test the app. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to a Thunkable right here like this. As soon as you open it, it's gonna specify your IP, version, scan QR code, okay? Or do the other thing. Do the type code. Do type the code. Alright, I'm gonna do scan QR code. I'm gonna take this thing right in my QR and hey, this is the app we just made, okay? You see? Now you go in here, you type, alright, let's say Facebook. Okay, let's Facebook. Okay, it's working, right? Now I'm gonna specify what I was just saying. If you press back button, it's going one step back. Perfect. How about that? Let's say what's up. You scroll like this. Let's go to some website, random website. You press home button. It's gonna go straight to a Google. It's not gonna exit the app, but it's gonna go straight to the Google, your home page. Now, let's say you wanna go one step forward. You press the forward button. It's not gonna do nothing because we're on home right now, but you see, let's go to Facebook again. Facebook, you come one step back, you wanna go forward again. Yep, it's gonna go back to the Facebook again. So this is a basic browsing app, okay? After that, what you want to do is if you want to make the APK file, you want to go to export right here. You want to make app save.apk to my computer. You want to save this right here. It's gonna be downloading automatic in your computer, and if after you are downloading the computer, you can put your app in your phone, your Android phone, and try to install it. It's gonna say like stuff like it's not been published yet. Do you still want to install it? Just press install, and then you can check out your app. Now this is how you make your basic browsing app. Now what I was saying is instead of putting a Google in here, if you have your own website, you can put your own website URL in here, and then as soon as somebody opens your app, they're gonna pop right into your website. That's the best way, an awesome way to bring traffic in your website. In the next video, what I'm gonna show you is I'm gonna show you how to put the ads, like the banner ads, and while you are using, like, there's a lot of stuff pop on your screen with different kind of ads. I'm gonna show you that and ways to how to earn money from the ads and from the traffic from the AdSense on your website or on the application. So that's all for now, YouTube. Hit like button, hit subscribe button for me, and then I'm gonna upload a lot of videos on this year showing you how to earn a real money from making this kind of basic app with just all you gotta have is the computer and a basic internet and a phone to test it. That's it. Okay, so let me exit the app. It's gonna say Max browser right here. That's it for now. Thank you for watching this video.